Unlock the potential of your business with Stripe, the payment platform that makes transactions effortless. Whether you are selling products, services, or subscriptions, Stripe empowers you to accept payments from around the globe. Imagine a world where you can focus on your patient while Stripe handles the heavy lifting of payment processing. Setting up your account is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to turn your ideas into revenue. Don't wait, let's get started and watch your business thrive. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create Stripe account. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into stripe.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Stripe is a technology company that provides a suite of payment processing tools and services for online businesses. It enables companies to accept payments over the internet, manage subscriptions, handle fraud prevention, and facilitate various financial transactions, all through user-friendly interface and robust APIs designed for developers and businesses of all sizes. Stripe aims to simplify the complexity of online payments and help businesses grow. So to get started, you have just to write your email address here and you click over start now, and also you can click over sign in and you will find this account. Here we have create your Stripe account. You have just to write your email address and your full name, then you choose your country and then you write your password, then you click over create account. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this one, but before, here we have in the left some information, like here we have Stripe. Get started quickly, integrate with developer friendly APIs or choose low code or build or pre-built solutions. Then we have your support any business model, e-commerce, subscriptions, SaaS platforms, marketplaces, and more, all within a unified platform. Then you have your join millions of businesses. Stripe is trusted by ambitious startups and enterprises of every size. Once you do that, you will find this page. Here we have the homepage of stripe.com. We have here welcome to. Here we have firstly check the email here for a link to verify your email. Then you click over open Gmail here and you will find here the Gmail. Here we have Stripe. Thanks for creating a Stripe account. Verify your email so you can get app and running quickly. So you click over verify email and you will find this homepage as you can see. So here we have the homepage. We have various options like home, balances, transactions, customers, product catalog, payments, balance reporting, more, and also you have just to follow these 5 steps just done with your inscription. Here we have the first step, which is tell us more about your business to get started. So you have just to click over continue activation and you will find this page. You have you verify your business. The first one, and to verify your business we have business type. I will start with some basic. Choose your location and business type to get started. You choose the business location like United States and other things here. As you can see, then we have the personal details here. But before we have personal details, you have just to verify your personal details. You have this information is collected to verify your identity, keep your account safe, and help meet legal and regulatory requirements. For more information, consult the privacy policy. You write your legal name, like the first name and the last name, and your email address, the date of your birth. Then we have your home address, like United States here, and we have the street address, apartment, city, state, and we have the zip code and the phone number. And then we have your last 4 digits of social security number for my state. Then we have here, click over continue, and then you will find business details. You have just to tell us about your business, like you have this information is collected to better understand and serve your business. So we have your industry, then we have business website here, product description, and then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find here public details. About this one, we have your add public details for customers. This information may be visible in payment statements, invoices, and receipts. We have first like your statement descriptor. Select a statement descriptor from the list below or enter a custom. Then we have also here shortened descriptor. We have also business here, and then we have the customer support phone number and also customer support address like which country, the street address, apartment, city, and we have state and the zip code, and you click over continue and you will find here add your bank. About this one, you have just select an account for payouts. Earnings you receive will be sent on to this account. You have just to search for your bank account and then you will find secure your account. About this one, you have just to keep your account secure. You have just use an authenticator app or add a security key. Then we have add extras. About this one, you have to automate tax collection on your sales. Then we have select your product categories. Like here we have, as you can see, most popular, physical, services, and digital. Then you click over continue, or you can just skip now. Then you have also climate contributions. Show customers your climate commitment. You have with trip climate. You can direct a fraction of your revenue from payments to fund permanent carbon removal. Then we have set your commitment. You choose the one of this. Then you click over continue with this. Then you have your review and finish. You have your review and submit. Take a moment to review your information. You have just to edit this information like business details, public details, management and ownership, payout details. Then you have two-step authentication. Then you have climate commitment, tax calculation, and you click over agree and submit. So after sign up, you're done with this steps, and you have just right now to verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to inbox, as I did. Then next step, log into the dashboard and complete your profile by adding your business information, as I did. Then configure your preferred payment methods. Decide how you want to accept payments from customers. Integrate Stripe with your website or app using the provided APIs or plugins, and test your setup in test mode to ensure everything functions properly. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments and monitor your transactions through the dashboard for ongoing insights. So this is how it works. Also, we have here in the home page other things like transactions here. If you want to create a payment, choose invoice, payment link, subscription. You have customers here. If you want to add a customer, as you can see, write the name, the account email, and the description. Then you add. Then you have your product catalog and just create new products or your first product. Write the name, description, then you upload it, requiring here the amount and the billing period such as daily, weekly, yearly, or each 6 months or each 3 months. Then we have your preview, unit quantity, and other things. And also we have other options like payments, billing, reporting, and more. So this is how it works with stripe.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.